Welcome friends on Leo English Hub vocabulary section, and today we are going to learn some prepositions which have similar meanings and usage. So yes, here we have on the screen titled prepositions or prepositions. These are from, with, since, for, then and through. The pronunciations are also important, guys. From, with, since, for, then, and the last one is through. So what happens that all these prepositions are used at different situations according to in the sentence. So if we look at the first word from, it is used to indicate a place or source. Say for example, I buy vegetables from market, or my friend has ordered an iPhone from the USA. So it indicates a source or a place, and therefore it is used there. With is used to show the usage of products. When we use some product and we want to show it in our sentence, that I write with blue pen. So here blue pen is a product, is an object, and that's why when I want to indicate its usage, somebody writes, or I write with blue pen always, or all the people write with blue pen always. Children eat meals with spoon. See, with spoon. So when we want to show the usage of a particular product, with is used, preposition with. The next one is since. Since is used to mark a point of time. So here we have two options in terms of time. One is point of time and second is duration that we are going to learn just after this preposition. But here point of time, if I give examples of point of time, so what is point of time? First of all, let me clarify that. Point of time is from where, is a point from where the time begins, right? Say for example, from Monday, from 1st of March or 1st of April, from January 2025, from today itself, right? So whatever time I have mentioned in the sentences I just spoke, I used since to indicate, to mark a point of time. Now here comes the duration. The preposition of for is used to fix a duration. When you come to know about a point of time, you are always curious or keen to know the duration as well. Say for example, you are starting a course of computers. The course is going to be started on 1st of next month. That is point of time. So since 1st of November or since 1st of December, any day, that is point of time. But you don't know the duration, and you will ask for how many months, for how many days, for how many weeks. So that is, you fix a duration, right? So the next preposition we are going to look on is then, to express comparison, friends. When we want to compare, I am bigger than him. America or the US is richer than India, or whatever, right? So when we want to express comparison, we will use then. And the last preposition we have is through. The pronunciation is through, and it is used to point out a medium. Say for example, cold air is coming through the AC, the air conditioning, right? The sunlight is coming through the window or the door. So window, AC, door, these are mediums, and through which something is coming, cold air or sunlight or some kind of sound, right? So guys, I hope you understood all these prepositions and you will use them appropriately. Thank you very much for joining today.